Hello, I'm Grant of the Keeneland Railroad in Ohio, which was just recently hit by a large snowstorm. Anyway, why I'm coming up before the Christmas special in the first place is because we're now making parody requests, and here is one from the father of trainboi8745. So silly that that I think that Indian is. Hey! Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, to save me from getting completely beat up, then we're going to show the parody that Trainboy suggested. Did you hear about that contract that Southern Pacific signed to have a nuclear power plant to be put up at Lahutia? Yeah, and the Talks is a place where I'll never want to go again. Ugh. Like grunts. Yes, yes, um, Marcus. I think it's best if I ask this question now rather than later. Do you like Annie? You just asked the forbidding question. Ho, ho, holy! Grant, let's go! No, we gotta escape! We gotta escape!